Our special surveillance drive of checking the hygiene of restaurants has continued now, and we have again come to the Bardez area, wherein outlets in Porvorim and outlets in Anjuna have been covered. The drive, which started at around 4:30 from Porvorim area, where some famous restaurants, well-known restaurants, very well-known Rajasthani restaurant, which was operating in a very bad unhygienic condition, we had asked them to close down and give us compliance. Similarly, some other tea restaurants have also been closed in the Porvorim Sangolda belt, and then we have moved to this Anjuna area. Today, in total, 19 restaurants have been covered today, and around 9 have been asked to close down. Also in this Anjuna area, some well-known restaurants selling Goan fish thalis were also found operating, flouting our norms, and we too have issued them improvement notices, and they have been asked to keep their kitchens closed till the time they have submitted a compliance to us and the compliance has been verified. This is a part of this special drive which we are doing in the late evening, and we will be covering all the top restaurants as well as the ones which are frequented, and any unhygienic premises will be asked to close down. And we also once again appeal to all the food business operators to follow the stipulated norms to ensure hygiene.